to discuss the lesson number 4 from unit 2nd, that is sorting materials into groups. So on previous lectures we already discussed some introductory part regarding this chapter. Anyone remember? Yes, which are that? The definition of mass, volume, and third will be the matter. What is the mass? Something which that contain. Okay. Volume means which occupies space, and matter means anything which has a mass and which occupies the volume, that is nothing but the matter. Is that clear to you? We started three main important states of matter. Which are the three states? First, solid. Second, liquid, and third is the gases. So last lecture we completed the solid, but we have to summarize some part of that. What are solids? Solids means which are closely packed to the everyone. The new see. These are the molecules. What are molecules? Molecules means large particles. Okay. So the distance between these two molecules is very less and they are tightly bonded. They are closely packed. See, these circles are nothing but the molecules. How tightly they bounded to each other? Space between them is very small. That's why it is called a solid. What are characteristics of the solid? First, they have a definite shape because this close bonding, very correct. Second, they have a definite shape and volume, very correct. Third, the distance between molecules is very less. See how compactly they are arranged. Fourth one, the force of attraction means these two molecules are trying to attract each other, means they wanted to come to close to each other, so it is very high. That's why they are bounded and solid get a definite shape. This is solid. Yes, it has a very perfect rectangular shape. This is the solid. This chalk, yes, it has a very beautiful shape. This is also solid. Now you get it. What is the solid? Okay, let's move the next point, that is liquid. Very much important one. Liquids are quite different from solid. What are liquids? Liquids has definite volume, but they have a definite volume, but they have a definite mass. Yes, they have a definite mass, but they don't have a definite shape. Do everyone understood the water? Am I right? Water is in which state? Yes, water is in liquid shape. Do you see the any shape of water? Yes. If you pour some water in a rectangular glass, it look like a rectangle. Okay. If you are taken in the circular vessel, it look like a circle. So first most important character regarding liquid is liquid has no shape. Yes, liquid don't have its own shape, but it acquires the shape of vessel. Okay. If your glass is rectangle, it looks like a rectangle. If your glass is circle, if you have a bowl, so it looks like a circle. Am I right? So first most important character is liquid don't have any shape. Correct. Second most important one, the shape is not fixed, but in solid the shape is fixed. The molecule These are the molecules of water. The space between these two is quite larger than solid. Is that clear to you? See, that's why the force of attraction between these molecules is also less than solid. See, I will draw here solid and liquid also. Wait. See, in solid how they are arranged. This is solid. This is liquid. See the difference. In solid, there is no gap between the molecules. They are closely packed. But in liquid, there is a small space and they are not so closely packed. That's why solid has a definite shape, liquid don't has definite shape. Example, water, oil. Am I right? In which vessel you pour the water, it acquires that vessel's shape. If it is rectangle, it look like rectangle. If it is circle, it look like a circle. Okay? So these are the most important difference between solid and liquid. Is there any doubt? Just check it. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Is that clear to you? Okay. The next important definition regarding liquid is fluidity. What is that? Fluidity. What is the fluidity? The liquid has capacity to flow. As you know that if you in your tile, if you pour some water, it will flow, and this flow quality of liquid is called a fluidity. Solid don't has fluidity, but liquid has the fluidity. Water, oil, petrol, rocket, they have a fluidity. Is that clear to you? Fluidity means to flow. Okay? Solids are rigid. Rigid means strong, firm, because they have a strong force of attraction. But liquids are not rigid. You should write like this. Liquids are not rigid. But solids are rigid. And also liquids are not hard. Solids, see, this one is little bit hard one. But liquids, your water, your milk, is it hard? No. So what you have to indicate? Liquids are not so hard. They have a fluidity. Is that clear to you, everyone? Is there any doubt? Okay. So next state of matter which is very necessary, that is gases. Gases means they don't have any definite volume, they don't have a definite shape. See, shape and volume not fixed or not present. Means they don't have a volume fixed up and shape. It will be vary every time. This time it will be different, next time it will be different, because the arrangement of molecules. See, concentrate here. This is gaseous molecules. How they are arranged? See, one is here, another is here, another is here. Means the distance between two molecules is much. They repel to each other. They do not come each other, and the distance between two molecules in gas state or gaseous states is larger, and due to this they don't have any definite shape or volume. Is that clear? See, comparatively in solids very closed, that's why definite shape. In liquid less distance, that's why in which vessel it pours, it acquires that shape. But in gases, no any shape, definite shape, no any definite volume, because the distance of molecule is much more than solid and gases. Is that clear to you? Okay. Example, air. Air is a mixture of gases. It has any shape? No. Okay. So this is nothing but the three states of matter. Now we have to discuss the comparative study of these three states together. Means solid, liquid and gases. Regarding a point of view of examination point of view, this is the very important question. What? To differentiate solid, liquid and gases. Regarding first shape. In solid, fixed. Shape is fixed. Liquid, yes, not fixed. In which vessel is used? It acquires that particular shape. Obviously, gases has no any fixed size shape. That's why it will be not fixed. Second, the distance between molecules. In solid, there is no any distance. Means least distance, very less distance. Here, small distance. And here, a huge distance. Can I write here large distance? Yes, large distance. Third, regarding volume. Yes, solid has a definite volume. Obviously, liquid has a definite volume. And this, yes, it don't have a definite volume. So, no definite volume. Okay, so which are strongest? Obviously, who has a definite shape, it is strongest. The solid is more stronger than liquid. Liquid is at the middle, least strong than solid, but more stronger than gases. And gases are least strong because they don't have a force of attraction. Their molecules are randomly dispersed. They are moving here and there. That's why it do not come too close to each other. That's why they are weak. Up to here, any doubt? Solid, liquid, gases. See, they have a fixed shape. Liquid don't have a fixed shape. Gas obviously not fixed. The molecule distance is least, small distance, very large, huge distance. Volume, yes, solid has a definite volume, liquid has a definite volume, but gases not definite volume. Who is the strongest? Yes, solids are strongest, liquids are less strong, and gases are least strong. Means they are not so strong. Is that clear to you? Some examples. Wooden box, duster, liquid, water, milk, and gases means air, because there is a mixture of gases. Up to here, any doubt? You can draw this tree diagram also here, which gives you clear idea. See, here molecules are compactly arranged. Here small distance, and here very large distance. Up Up to here, any doubt? Here we completed a small part of this chapter, that is states of matter. Okay.